Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove jacket or clothes on Bitmoji. A Bitmoji is your own personal emoji. To remove jackets or clothes on Bitmoji, you need to first open your Bitmoji application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you have already created your avatar. After this, here you'll be taken to your stickers. Now you can tap on fashion option on the down. Then here you can see your full Bitmoji. As you can see here, my Bitmoji is wearing a jacket. Now to remove the jacket, you can see a small jacket icon on the down right corner. Tap on the jacket icon. Then here you can choose different kind of jackets, but to remove it, you need to scroll to the down. At the very bottom, you can see a small circle icon, that is the empty icon. Tap on the empty icon. With this, now the jacket will be removed, and then tap on save option on the top right corner. With this, now your Bitmoji won't have your jacket. Now if I again tap on fashion, then here you can see that my avatar is not wearing the jacket. Similarly, to remove other piece of clothes from the Bitmoji, you can tap on the icon that you want to remove. I'm going on with removing my shoes, so tap on shoe icon on the down. Then scroll to the very bottom, and then here you can see the empty icon. Tap on the empty icon, and then tap on save option on the top right corner. With this, now your Bitmoji won't have your shoe. This is how we can remove jacket or clothes on Bitmoji. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.